All right, we are almost there, guys. Of course, we'll definitely have to come live on YouTube. This is where I'm gonna be buying good for this live today. Okay, so good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's live. This is where I'm gonna be waiting for gold today to take that buy for today. Okay, so it's gonna be a patient day as always. So let's see how it works for us today. Of course, this is a zone that I might want to take a buy, but now why? Because I have a trend line here and I'm expecting gold to break that trend line. Okay, I'm expecting gold to break that trend line, but if it doesn't, then just know that gold is just gonna keep pushing up slowly and slowly and slowly. Once it breaks this trend line, okay, so once it breaks this trend line, then you see gold falling back down. But if it doesn't, you see gold buying all the way from here back up again. So this is the trend line I'm looking at. Well, meanwhile, let's keep looking. This is my buy zone here. Break this trend line, all up to here, take out this liquidity sweep, then into my buy zone, and we push up. Okay, so this is the plan for today. Let's see how it goes. I have the same buy zone, bro. Well, that's nice. Nice for us to be thinking same way. But this is just what is holding it from coming back to our zone, okay? Which is this trend line I drew here. So if I'm gonna see a breakout of this trend line, I would expect it to push all the way down here, then I take that buy. But aside that, you can see that gold is still trying to respect that trend and keep pushing up. So we're just gonna keep waiting. It also aligns with fib and volume profile. Okay, that's perfect. I think you're using your indicator pretty well. I have all those indicators, but Fibonacci, I use Fibonacci when there is a very strong impulse, so I just find the retracements and mark my entry. I use Fibonacci for very long swing trades. Okay, so that's when I use Fibonacci. But for just this short and quick trade, don't seem to bother about Fib.
Here comes trouble, putting on a show, like a domino, I fall, another bottle, don't know what to say, send me on my way to you. I know you're all that I want, but I don't even know your name.
Where are we at? It's gonna be a patient day. We're not gonna rush the market today. No one is gonna rush the markets, okay? We're gonna wait patiently for it to play out. The story is always a patient dog eats the fattest bone. And that's true for Forex. If you're a patient person in Forex, then you always get the fattest bone. That's just it.
Eyes wide open, holding out for you, tell me that it's true, did you notice, I saw you over there, looking like a heartbreaker. I know you're all that I want, but I don't even know your name. So don't go and leave me lonely, I'll show you another way. And you say it's a one-night thing, but I want something more than that. So don't go and leave me lonely, I'll show you another way.
Fingers crossed, right? Yep, fingers crossed actually. Someone keeps saying, bro, you're sharing the same setup for both public and both private and both special. Same number of setup. Well, but not the same number of instructions. I can share a setup on public, on live. After 1 hour, I'm done with the live. There is no further instruction for you. But once you're in the special channel, in the channel, Telegram channel, then you're gonna get extra information and instruction further on when to take your trade, when to close your trade, and all that. So of course now we just sit and watch. We'll just sit and watch. That's what we're gonna be doing. You guys asking why am I not showing my face today? Well, it's the latest update. I need to go live on both YouTube and TikTok. Okay, so I'm using my both phones to do that. I'm using one currently live on TikTok, and then I'm using one currently live on YouTube, and then also that's why I'm not showing my. That's why you're seeing just my work setup. That's how my office is gonna be. So someone said I also had a sale with 1-to-1. Okay, that means if you had a sale for 1-to-1, maybe definitely you had the sale from here. But that's nice. 1-to-1, perfect one. Yeah, I was literally sleeping when all this happened. Okay, I would have gotten this and took that sale to target this as full take profit. But right now, we are still waiting. Okay, trend line breakout, take out liquidity, there's still another liquidity here, but main buy zone, tap buy zone, and let's ride it. Morning. How you guys doing? What's the update for today? Which one am I even using? Okay, we're back online. Why not? Where is it? Why not buy from trendline and target for 639 liquidity? Well, I prefer making right entries than just saying okay because it's trendline. Although if it closes like this on 15 minutes, that's another demand to take a buy. But now I need market to sweep liquidity first before I make an entry. I don't want to be the liquidity, okay? So that's why I'm gonna wait. I need the market to sweep the liquidity, not me becoming the liquidity that will be swept. Okay? So once market sweeps liquidity for me, then I'll take my entry and then target the higher high here and probably a breakout, and we keep flying. So I'm not gonna target any liquidity here. There's not much of a liquidity. This is just a resistance. Okay, so this is more of liquidity for me, which I want market to sweep first before I take my entry. Oh, I buy now. Okay, that's nice. Good for you. But I definitely think you might be the liquidity. Okay, so almost every time my setups are after liquidity sweep. Why? Because I don't want to be the liquidity. I won't ever be the liquidity. I want to always be the one on the profit side. Can't be on liquidity, bro. Once market sweep liquidity, then that's it for me. Well, don't forget to tap your screen. Don't forget to like, follow, share, comment. If you are on. That's more like it. Are you a patient trader or a formal trader? Fear of losing out trader. That's the question. Well, I'm a very, very patient trader, very reserved. Has Bitcoin prices started a new uptrend? Yep, Bitcoin is on uptrend already. Well, I did make that Bitcoin call on my last live. Okay. Where are you putting your stop loss for the buy? Check the chart. You see this red horizontal dotted line. That's where my stop loss is. Okay. Once I give a chart screenshot, anywhere you see blue like dotted horizontal line, that's my entry. Anywhere you see green is my take profit. Anywhere you see red is my stop loss. Okay, so that's how I do it. I think if you are in my special channel, you should understand this already. I literally don't even have the time or strength sometimes to type in figures. That's in buy 46.30, buy 50, blah blah blah, stop loss. Nah, I just draw the trend line there, draw the horizontal line showing red color, blue color, green color, and it's left for anyone following to know the numbers there because it's clearly written. You can see the numbers here. 46.12 is the stop loss for my buy entry, and then entry is 46.17, so that's 50 pips for stop loss. Okay. Technology. Ooh, just need to sit and wait. It's gonna be a long day. We're gonna keep sitting and waiting. Zay, Zay, join. I think you have my sign there. I love that sign. Hurricane sign. Love it. Captivating. Mm, definitely think it's gonna take it out. So why? This is what is dragging good right now. This liquidity here is dragging it, is saying, please bro, come on, come on, come on, take me out. That's what's currently happening. It's trying to say please good. That's why you're seeing some little fights here, buyers and sellers, but they are dragging, say, come on, good, come and take me out before heading anywhere. So it's gonna break this trend line here, break out, retest on the trend line, sell, take out liquidity, take out, and then into my buy zone. If not, if it doesn't do that, then we'll just keep seeing good, keep going, keep going, keep going, going. Okay. If it breaks trend line, do we wait for a retest before we short? Yeah, you should. This is 15 minutes candlestick, right? Just mark it on 15 minutes candlestick. If this one that is coming below now, just close little below here. You take your shots, put your stop loss right above the closure of this candle, and then target this liquidity and probably your full take profits in my buy zone. Okay, so that's it. But if it doesn't close below, do not take anything. Gold might keep pushing up, so always wait for a closure below the trend line. So always wait for confirmation before making any entry. Don't just assume that yes, okay, it's pushing that, so good, it's gonna fall that, it's gonna, let me just take entry. I don't want to miss out. Let me take it here before, if it comes here now I miss it and take late entry. I want to take early. Nah. Always wait for confirmation. Confirmation is the key, bro. What time frame is this? This is 15 minutes time frame. Check 1 and 5. Look at it here, 1 and 5. So 50 minutes time frame. I know it's not showing because I did not put it anywhere close by, but it's 50 minutes time frame. Oops. Mhm. Ah. Mm-hmm. So you see, this is the reason why I'm saying wait for confirmation. You see, gold just tried to deceive you as if it wants to sell, but now later it's now buying. So always wait for confirmation. Don't just assume. Wait for it to close below here. Wait for that bearish candlestick close below, and then before you make your decision. This line is the reference point. This trend line is the reference. Just this line here is the reference point. Okay, so there is no need to rush. There's no one is chasing you. The market is there for you. The market is always there. It's not gonna run. It's gonna wait for you. Well, lean first, then make video and teach others. It's sell, baby. Oh, don't even know how to read again. Learn first, then make video and teach others. It's sell, baby. Okay. Well, please teach me, bro. I don't know how to trade really. I need to learn from you. Trading with Salman. Can you teach me how to trade? I don't know how to trade, please. Please, bro, teach me how to trade, baby. Someone joining my live and asking me to learn first before teaching others. Come on, bro. Go make your live and teach others, please. Mm. Where is that person that was saying it's a sell, baby? Come on, are you selling right now? Can't see. That's just it. There's nothing to rush. Once you're patient in these markets, you're losing, your chances of losing in the markets will reduce to minimum. Okay, very, very patient, very patient. Wait for confirmation. Just it. Simple. There is nothing. There is just nothing. Just wait. Patience. You see, if you had assumed that yes, he's gonna, and I know someone said, yeah, buy it, buy. Why not buy a trend line? Yeah, it's right to buy a trend line, but because why? This is a demand that was created here in 15 minutes time frame. Then take your buy on the demand. Stop loss just right below here. Well, why didn't I take that buy? I had liquidity here, which I said good is trying to drag into that liquidity. So I said I don't want to be the liquidity. I want liquidity to be swept before I make my entry, so that I don't become the liquidity. Okay, so that's just it. Do I? Do I? do right. Do it. We do it in life. Doing it. Okay. The impression will come from any of your other promise that. I believe you. She said your self-development books. You write books. You write books now. Oh, this girl. What did this bro just say? Higher low? Okay, yeah, higher low. Yes. If it doesn't touch the trend line, no, it's not filled. Even if it doesn't, the trend line is still valid. It still continues. The only thing is when the next higher low closes below. Okay, when the next candle closes below the trend line, then that's when it's called the breakout of trend line. Even if it comes here and closes somewhere here and then keep pushing up, the trend line is still valid. It's not filled. Okay, it's not still filled. Still valid. But what do we have here? Am I trying to see? I'm not seeing anything. Well, it's still gonna be a waiting game, okay? How long already? 36 minutes? Oof. Seriously? What the fuck? Let's have those sinos finish.
With YouTube Music Premium, listen to ad-free songs anywhere. Try 1 month free of charge.
No, that's not realistic. Okay. Should I join the chats? Should I join the gist? Nah. I think I've missed it. Okay, please, what's the best way to use the line? I got teachers here. Okay. Welcome everyone. Well, we are still waiting as usual. We are not rushing. See finish.
With YouTube Premium, you can watch ad-free, offline,
Look
and in
at
the
that
background.
horde, bro.
Listen ad-free on the YouTube Music app. One subscription,
4.
2 apps. There's more to discover with Premium. Try 1 month free of charge.
Ding, ding, ding. Are we still waiting? Yes, we are still waiting, bro. Cause we are still waiting. Why shouldn't we wait? We're gonna keep waiting till it does what it wanna do. We're still gonna keep waiting. It's pretty much waiting game. What? Reading is 99% waiting, brother. Yeah. That's when you don't wait, that's when market is gonna rush you. When you want to rush the market will eventually rush you. Okay. So if you're not patient in this market, most especially when trading gold, and you're not patient, you're trying to do fast and furious. Yes, I don't want to miss it. Enter now, buy baby, sell baby. Okay, I pity your accounts. Ataula invites you to co-host. Not really what I want right now. Well, don't forget to like this live. Oh.
With YouTube Premium, watch ad-free videos and listen ad-free on the YouTube Music app. One subscription, 2 apps. Set up automatic downloads and watch offline, in the background, and on the go. Try 1 month free of charge.
With YouTube Music Premium, listen ad-free, offline, and in the background. Try it free of charge.
Devil in a red dress. Call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang, bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress. Call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang, bang, got my hand, bang, got my hand. Devil in a red dress. Call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang, bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress. Call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess.
With YouTube Premium, watch ad-free videos and listen ad-free on the YouTube Music app. One subscription, two apps. Set up automatic downloads and watch offline, in the background, and on the go. Try 1 month free of charge.
With YouTube Music Premium, listen ad-free, offline, and in the background. Try it free of charge.
Gave you too much, now I'm swallowed. Now I'm the fool while you're breaking rules. Dangerous path that I follow. Oh, go on.
So looking delicious right now. It's pretty looking delicious. Where are we? We've been quiet. I'm looking at a delicious cell back to this zone right now. Looking at it, it's just looking delicious. So delicious. It taps there and it's rejecting that zone. So a delicious cell from these points here back to this zone. It's gonna be sweet. Did I just hear more? Yep. So a delicious sale from there. My stop loss is exactly on 46.40. I'm not risking more than anything, more than 30 pips. So mid sell entry at here 37, exactly 38. Stop loss is 40 above here, just that. So I'm expecting a push back. So probably this time around is the time for gold to break out this trend line. Okay, take out this. But if it doesn't, it's gonna break this zone fume and keep flying up. So if that happens, then just know that all our waiting game for today is just for nothing. Well, this is it for today, guys. It's already 1 hour and I can't stay more than this on a live trade. Okay, I need to focus on my community. So this is the zone. Take your sell. You can take right now. If you take your sell right now from here, I'm expecting good at least to push down maybe from here back to this trend line and maybe break out this trend line, take out this and then head straight to our buy zone. Okay, so if that doesn't happen, good is gonna break out the zone and keep buying. So that's that for today. Thanks for joining this live, and don't forget to comment, don't forget to follow, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I do come on live every day, YouTube and TikTok. So this is, if you're on TikTok, follow my account so you don't miss the next one. If you're on YouTube, also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next live. See you guys on the next one. Well, good is currently selling as you can see, so bye. $500.